From the front, this is a very modern house, and you see a lot of that now. New homes appearing out in the countryside, so it begs the question, who is a home like this actually for? Believe it or not, this home started life as a barn, which plays a role in how this home has been designed, and more importantly, how it fits within its surroundings. It's traditional in its form, yet very modern in how it comes across. And once you step inside, it all starts to make sense. Modern, with clean lines and architectural features that leave you in no doubt that this is a home built with simplicity in mind. You move through into the hub of the home, and this is where you start to understand what this home is all about. Open plan, yet well defined, it's here that you appreciate the consideration of its design. And on top of this, of course, views that simply speak for themselves. The space reflects everything that a modern country residence is about. The conveniences have been taken care of, and then we have the part of the home that caters for everyday living. With up to 5 bedrooms over 2 floors, there's space for busy lives, offering the flexibility you need, whatever that may be. And on top of this, we have that stunning backdrop over the incredible Wolds. Outside, the property comes with everything you'd expect. Triple garage, plenty of parking for guests, and low maintenance wraparound gardens. With everything this home offers, it's clear this is for someone who wants the countryside without compromise.